transferring Google Play progress to iPhone made simple. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tutorial on how to seamlessly transfer your Google Play progress to your iPhone. To kick things off, the first step is to open your Google Play Store. Ensure that you're signed in to your Google account. Now, when it comes to transferring your progress, you have two options. Option 1, select the gaming application. Download the respective gaming application on your iPhone. Once downloaded, you can sync your data by tapping on the user icon within the app. Make sure you're using the same account that was linked to your Google Play Store. Option 2, create an account on iPhone. If direct transfer isn't available, you can create an account on your iPhone using the same credentials as your Google Play Store account. This ensures seamless syncing of your application data. Since Google Play doesn't offer direct transfer, syncing via shared accounts is the workaround. Ensure consistency between your Google Play Store account and your iPhone account. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for tuning in.